Okay, now let's try to review what we have learned in the past, because today we're going to apply all these principles for today's activity. Okay, now with pronunciation, teacher Isaac taught you yesterday about pronunciation, and she taught you about voice sounds and voiceless sounds, right?
Yeah.
Yes. And she taught you the difference between L and R, P and F,
E and V.
B and B. Correct. Yes. So now you know the difference between these sounds. And also with this, for example, this word orange, again, because some students would pronounce this orangey, right? Orangey. But we don't pronounce this as orangey. We pronounce this as, Esther? Orange. Correct. We pronounce this as orange, not orangey. And with this April, we say April, not April. Yes. Some students would say April. Okay, but it is pronounced as April because this is P, not X. Okay. With body movements or gestures, we have learned that before. And again, what are the things that we need to avoid when we're doing public speaking? Caesar, will you give me one?
Touch hair.
Touching the hair, yes. Don't touch your hair while you do public speaking. Esther, what else? Cracking your knuckles. Yes. Or tapping your fingers. Right. Jane?
Biting me.
Yes, biting your lips. Correct. Some more?
Shaking neck.
Shaking your legs. Yes. Esther?
Don't touch jelly.
Yes, correct. You have to avoid touching your jewelry while you speak. And some more?
Putting hands
In your pocket. Yes, correct. Don't put your hands in your pocket while you deliver your message. You know, no, don't do that. Okay? You have to have a very good stance while you deliver your message. And for the gestures or body movements that you need to consider, what are the things you need to consider for facial expression? How do you look at your audience? With good eye-to-eye contact. Okay? And how about your hands? How do you move your hands? Okay, like this. Don't use your finger, just one finger to point. Okay? And how about if you are in a very wide stage, what would you do? Yes, sir.
Use big space.
Yes, you have to use the space,
Yes.
correct. But if there's podium, what would you do?
Just stand.
Just stand there. Yes, correct. You have to use the podium. Okay? So, these things you need to remember when you deliver your speech. And now, we're ready. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with number 1.